Ever walk through a market and spot delicious food left out in the open? It looks fresh and inviting, but beneath the surface, it's hiding something dangerous. Unprotected food can easily become a gateway for illness. Let's find out how. When food is exposed to the open air, it's not just food anymore. It's a breeding ground for germs. Dust from the streets, flies from garbage dumps, and insects from unsanitary areas carry bacteria and viruses straight to your plate. Think about it. Every second uncovered food sits out. It's collecting harmful microorganisms waiting to invade your body. You might not see the bacteria clinging to that food, but trust me, your body will feel it. Bacteria like Salmonella, Campylobacter, and even Listeria can make their way onto your plate. One contaminated meal can lead to food poisoning, cramps, nausea, and dehydration, and that's just the start. In severe cases, foodborne illnesses can take a serious toll on your health. Some infections like E. coli and hepatitis A can land you in the hospital, requiring urgent treatment. And for vulnerable people like children, the elderly, or those with weakened immune systems, these illnesses can be life-threatening. So, how can you protect yourself? It's simple. Cover your food, clean your hands, and store it properly. Make sure the food you eat is cooked at the right temperature. And if you're buying from a vendor, check if they follow good hygiene practices. A few small actions can make all the difference in protecting your health. Unprotected food isn't worth the risk. Spread awareness, make smart choices, and keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Let's work together to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Share this reel to help others make safer, healthier decisions today.